You all nicely prepared your pivot included certain calculations, and now you would like to highlight certain figures. But no matter what you do, the moment you refresh your pivot you realize that those temporary solutions do not work adequately. Does this situation sound familiar to you? Then, no worries. You will see in the next few steps that in Excel applying conditional formatting into pivot table is very simple. Shall we start? All right. In this example, the table includes quantity of fruits per year. Let's fill in the table. Great. Now our base data set is ready. Let's prepare our pivot table as usual. Simply drag and drop the fields under the corresponding areas below. Now let's add a formula into our pivot table to be able to calculate the difference between 2 years. Go to Calculated field and insert the corresponding fields to add the difference formula. Now we have the difference between the 2 years calculated by our pivot table. Let's add another formula to be able to calculate the percentage difference. Another tip here is that, in order to properly show the formatting in pivot tables, it is best to use number format instead of format cells. Let's apply percentage as number format. Now we have the percentage difference, and let's try to present positive and negative percentages in different colors. Under Home, select Conditional Formatting and choose New Rule. In this step, it is very important to select the option All Cells Showing Values. Afterwards, as rule type, select Format Only Cells that contain. Under Edit the Rule Description, choose Cell Value Greater Than and type 0%. Select the color, in this example green, and press OK. As you can see, all cells with positive percentage figure are highlighted in green, even the grand total. Now let's repeat the same process for a new rule to highlight the figures less than 0%. In our example pivot, now all percentage differences are highlighted. Positive percentages in green and negative percentages in red. It even works properly for any chosen fruit combinations and for the resulting change in total.